Alright, good morning, Bud Key West. Listen, we got this 52-inch Samsung TV. It's got the blurry lines, pieces of crap. And I had it since, what, 2009. Spent a lot of money on it. There's the, oh, there we go. There's the specs on it. So we took it off the wall, right? So now we got it over here. Just got done unscrewing all the screws, hopefully. And now we're going to try to take the cover off, mess around with the top of it, and see if we can fix this thing, salvage it. Because I'm tired of not being able to see the full screen on the TV. Here we go next. And we're back. Alright, we successfully got the cover off. We had a couple of screws right in the middle there we had to take off. So this is what the innards looks like. What to do next, I don't know. Kind of dusty. Looks like we're going to have to take the thing to it and dust it all out, vacuum. And then we're going to check it out, look at a YouTube video, and see what we can do next. Okay, and we're back. So after we watched some YouTube, we're now going to take off, we did take off these brackets that go over here so we can lift the entire thing off that bezel right there. So then we're going to try to do the, put some pieces of tape up in here to squeeze that. So far so good. Alright everybody, here we go. We've got everything taken apart. We've got the bezel off. We took off the crazy metal ring around there. So we have got to the point where we see those tabs. This was a little different because there's actually two strips going up to each tab on each side. Alright, so we've taken off the bezel. Broke a few screws, not a big deal so far. But here's what the screen looks like. As you can see, it's all lined up and messy. So what we're going to do is this one right there is the culprit. So we're going to put a finger on it. Alright, and let go of it. And push it. Let go of it. And push it. And that's what we're going to do. Alright, let go of it. Alright, so that's what we're going to do. Let me come around this side so it's not upside down. Alright, go ahead and hit the thing. Now it's clear as day. And go ahead and let go of it. And now it's all messed up. Push it. And it's fixed. Awesome. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to put some double-sided tape over there on the inside. We'll show you how that works, and then hopefully we'll put it back together and it'll be fixed, and then I don't have to spend $3,000 on a new TV or $1,000. Stand by. Okay folks, so what I did is I had some pieces of rubber from my RC modeling stuff, and one of the videos guy did some rubber from a tire, put it on there, put it underneath there. You got to take this whole board and unscrew the 3 screws, undo the ribbons, flip it up, and he put one underneath and then he put one on top. So I'm going to try and maybe do something underneath without having to do all that. Definitely going to put one on top, and then definitely with this you can see the curved. This is the curve, which actually, let's see if I can get in there. Right there where my thumb is, that actually pushes down on that ribbon. So that's what makes the contact. So we've already determined that's the issue, that's the problem, and now we got the fix. So we'll be able to watch TV in the living room once again. Okay folks, well, I didn't videotape it because I was too afraid I was going to mess it up. But this board is actually not screwed in, it's just in with a little, little clip right there. So I just kind of popped it out. They came out, so it gave me some slack to stick that little piece of rubber like this up underneath there. And then we did the test and we turned it on, And lo and behold, it is perfect. Unbelievable. That caused months of frustration. Years of frustration of this stupid TV. Now it's fixed. Alright, so the next thing is we're going to try and put it back together, and then we will see what happens next. Alright. Alright. Alright, we got the bezel back on. We got all the screws back in, I think. One thing I would point out is what we should have done was all the screws that we took out, we should have, I think we're missing a screw there. I think we should have put a dot where we took all the screws out, even though there's an arrow. It's kind of hard to remember all the screws. So this is the one that got stripped, so I had to drill it out. I don't think it should be a problem. We got everything else back in. Now we got to put the bezel back on. Oh, by the way, with the Samsung thing, I had to plug in the bezel for the remote control to work, because there's all the remote control stuff. And we plugged it all in, and with the HDMI. And now we're going to put the bezel back on, flip it over, reverse everything. Hopefully we don't have any screws left over, and we'll see what we got. But I would put a dot next time everywhere I took a screw out. That way I can remember, because there's a lot of holes in this thing. Alright, stand by. Alright, so now we got the bezel on. We got the clips on. I'm trying to remember where all the screws go. Alright, so far so good. Yeah, anywhere where there's a little arrow. And I think there's some here too, Trey. Yep, right there. These are the white ones.
Those are the white ones?
Yeah. And alright, so the next thing we'll do is we'll put the back on, hopefully. And then we'll be good to go. Everything is back on.
Oh my
And it's fixed!
It looks better.
Is it fixed?
Yes.
Is it done?
Of course it's fixed. You can read it.
And so tonight begins the process of getting him ready for week 1.
Oh my God. It's like brand new. Look at that. The colors.
Woohoo! We got a new TV.
The colors are like, oh my God, I see something.
Alright. Ladies and gentlemen, that's how you fix a broken LCD 2009 Samsung piece of crap. Boom.